Hello guys, this is Patience Ekle Ugochukwu. This is another Pekle Africa video series. I want to show you how you can log into your Owodailyplus account, which is an affiliate platform where you can do digital tags and make money. You can make as little as 500 naira every day, 1000 naira every day, or 3000 naira every day and above by doing just very little and simple tasks, by liking videos, subscribing to YouTube pages, commenting, downloading apps, and a whole rest of other stuff here, and doing other affiliate digital works. So right now, as you can see, this is Owodailyplus. All you need to do is to click here on your browser. I'm using Chrome. Just type Owodailyplus. Once you type owodailyplus.com, you enter, and voila, you're here. So when you are here now, you can scroll down to read other informations here. But what I'll be doing right now, I want to log into an already created account so that I can make payments for the Owodailyplus membership fee and the Owodailyplus. Okay, Owodailyplus one-time membership fee is just 3000 naira. Okay, but the plus is 13,000 naira. 10,000 naira is renewable every year. So what I'll be doing is to log into the account that I'll be making the payment. But if you have not created an account yet, all you need to do is to click on the link beneath this video, or ask me for the link where you will click and register to have your account even before the payment. Okay, so let's go. This is the menu here, the three horizontal line at the right top corner of your phone. You just click on it, okay, and then you click on login. All right, I just clicked on login. Okay, so now I'm going to be putting email and password. They already copied the password. This is it. And then let me go copy the email. It's the email here, but know that I'll be blocking this so you do not see the email and password for security reasons for this account. Okay, this is it. So now I'm going to be logging into this account for me to make payments. Yeah, it's loading. All right, so we are here, and this account is bearing Chizoba. Okay, that's why you're saying hi Chizoba. You can start earning on Owodailyplus and get started. So I won't be saving it here because I will be handing over the account to the owner after I make the payment for the owner. So now, once you come here, you can read through every information here. All right, then this is where you'll be making the payment. Sign up for membership is 3000 naira. Sign up for Owodailyplus is 13,000 naira. Remember that 10,000 naira is renewable every year, but the 3000 naira is a one-time membership fee. So for me to be able to make this payment, and I'll be paying for Owodailyplus, which is 13,000 naira, I will just click on sign up for Owodailyplus. I just clicked on it. It's loading. Okay, so now we're here. You scroll down again. If you see here, you say pay star card payment back transfer. So I will click here, and I'll put card payments or bank transfer. So right, I want to pay through my ATM card, so I'll be choosing the first one, which I just clicked on. So here there is a button here, you have to click on it, showing that I have agreed to activate membership and the rest of the terms and conditions of use, which include memberships. So I'll just click on it that I have agreed. Okay, now that I have clicked, the next thing is to pay Owodailyplus annual. I just clicked on it. It's loading. Okay, so we are here, and click on pay with card. So I'll be inputting my card here. This is 13,490. I'll put my card details, but I won't be showing you that, so you do not see it. Okay, OTP has been sent. to my phone. I need to authorize the payment. Click on authorize payment. Payment successful. Voila. Okay, we're here. You now have access to perform digital tax. Okay, yeah, so this is to show you that payments have been successful and my account has been debited. Okay, so this is your account and currently you have 0 naira. Okay, and know that you can deposit money into this wallet and use it to do other stuff. There's a whole lot to be done here. I won't be going into that detail, maybe in another video. The next video I'll be showing you how to perform tax and make cool money. So I'll be stopping this video here and now. We have paid for Owodailyplus and you have unlimited access to perform digital tax and sell affiliate products of any kind to make good money on this platform. So thank you very much. I still remain Patience Ekle Ugochukwu. Don't forget to visit our website at www.pekleafrica.com and don't forget to call us on this number 09034296519 for your affiliate marketing products and courses to build you very beautiful websites and to run your social media campaigns to make sales online and to bring your business online in a professional way. Thank you and have a lovely day.